Using trigonometry to find the area of a right triangle. Basically, to find area, we need the base times the height divided by 2. And they're going to give us one side but not the other, but we will have the angle. So we're going to times base times height divided by 2. So we know the height's 15. We need to find the base. So to find the base, we can write a trig function. We can say the tangent of 34 degrees is equal to the opposite leg, which is what we're looking for. That's going to be our base, divided by the height. Oh, no, divided by the adjacent leg, 15. So we can multiply both sides by 15 and find that base by using our calculators to do 15 times the tangent of 34 degrees. P.S. Make sure your mode on your calculator is in degrees anytime you are going to be using degrees. So we have 15 tangent 34, and we want to round your answer to your tenth. I'm actually going to leave the answer. I'm not going to round till the very end, and that's what they mean by here. Don't start your rounding to the very end. I have that number in my calculator, so I'm just going to go ahead and times that by the height, which is 15. And then I will take, I forgot to do time, oh, okay. Hang on, go up here, copy it, times the height, which is 15, and then I'm going to do a divided by 2, all within one step. And now when I round to the nearest tenth, so I was given approximately 75.88. Since I'm rounding to the nearest tenth, I only wrote the first two. So we're going to type in here 75.9. We have to round up because of that second 8 there. All right, let's do this again. So they give us the base. We're going to need the height. So again, we're going to use tangent. We use tangent every time here. So tangent of 65 is equal to 17 divided by our height. And we times both sides by h. And then we'll divide by tangent 65. So we're left with h equals 17 divided by tangent 65. That will be our height. So the area will be equal to, and we could type all of this in their calculator all at the same time. 17 divided by tangent 65 times the base, and then divide that by 2. So I'm going to do 17 divided by tangent 65, and then times 17 divided by 2. And we'll see if typing it all in this way gives me the correct answer. So we'll round to the nearest tenth, 67.4. There we go. So we could type it all in that way. So now we are missing the height. So I figured out a pattern. We know tangent 47 equals the height divided by 19. That's opposite over adjacent. So then our h is equal to 19 times tangent 47 degrees. So we'll take that h, times it by the base, and divide by 2. You know what? I'm just going to type it in as 19 squared times tangent 47 divided by 2. 193.56. So we have, type that in, 193.6. Make sure you're rounding when they ask. And that's the end of the lesson.